Nigerian stick meat, a delicious starter, snack, street food, finger food. However you want to eat this, it is absolutely delicious. Here's how to make it. So first of all, I'm going to start by preparing my meat. So here I'm using some lean beef, and to season my beef, I'm going to add some onions, a beef stock cube, and some garlic granules. And don't forget to wash your beef. Now we're going to add a tiny bit of hot water to this. We're going to cover it and we're going to let it boil away and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes on a medium temperature. Now to get started on the all famous pepper mix, which we're going to coat our meat in. So I'm just going to roughly bend down 1 amount of pepper, about 1/4 of a medium onion and some Scotch bonnet. Now once my meat is cooked, I'm going to take it away and I'm going to grill it for another 20 minutes. Separately, you can choose to deep fry it or you can air fry it. So now it's time to bring it all together. First of all, I'm going to cut up some colourful bell peppers and also some red onions, and these are going to be saved for later because they're going to go on our kebab sticks. I chop these up in a similar shape and size to the beef chunks, just so it all looks nice and uniform. Now to make our pepper mix. So adding a few tablespoons of vegetable oil to a pot, I'm going to add in that rough pepper mix blend that I just blended, and I'm just going to let this cook down and reduce. I'm seasoning it with 1/4 tablespoon of curry powder, 1/4 tablespoon of thyme, and also a Maggi cube. Once this is cooked down for about 10 minutes, I'm going to re-add my grilled or fried beef. I'm going to add a few tablespoons of that beef stock that we created earlier on to get that taste really nice and rich. And then finally, I am preparing my kebab sticks. So I've got my beef, I've got some peppers, I've got some onions. You mix, you match, and you put them all together and serve this at a party or just have it for a side or a snack. It's super delicious and you are gonna love it. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.